Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for this 15-minute Vinyasa flow. So we are going to practice a few little sun salutation A, maybe a few sun salutation Bs, just to get the heart rate flowing and find a full body stretch today. So you don't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, and whenever you are ready, let's begin. Okay everyone, so let's meet by coming towards the back of our mats today, standing with feet hip distance apart. As we inhale, we reach the hands up nice and high, and as we exhale, we just dive forwards, bend the knees, come into a forward fold. And we're just going to be here for a few moments, just giving ourselves a moment to stretch out the back and stretch out the hamstrings. If it works to maybe hold opposite elbows and find a little sway side to side, we can find a little movement. Nice, just slow and deep in the breath here. Deep inhales and full exhales. And then eventually come back into center, release the elbows and roll slowly all the way up and back into standing. From here, just go ahead and take a few big rolls through the shoulders at the top, bringing the shoulders all the way up to the ears and around. Nice, and then eventually come back into stillness. As we inhale, we're going to reach the hands all the way up to the sky. And as we exhale, go ahead and bend the knees, find a forward fold, and this time just walk it out into your downward facing dog. So letting the head hang heavy, just finding some movement here, stretching through one leg and then the other. Just gently bringing some movement into the body. Building strength through the arms. Stretching out the legs. And then come back into stillness. Take a nice deep bend through the knees and look towards the hands. And take as many steps as you can all the way up to the top of your mat. So just really creeping the toes up nice and slowly, starting to feel that stretch through each leg at a time. And then once at the top, roll all the way up and back into standing position. Nice. From here, we're going to inhale, reach both hands all the way up to the sky and look up. As we exhale, bend the knees and find a forward fold. Just release the body down. On an inhale, straighten the legs, find a halfway lift. Lift up to a nice flat back. Your hands can be wherever they need to be here. They can be on the shins, they can be on the thighs, on the floor. Roll your shoulders back here, find the spine nice and long. Nice, on your next exhale, bend the knees, find a forward fold. And then slowly come all the way back up and into standing. Nice, we'll do two more like that. So inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, bend the knees, dive forward to forward fold. Inhale, straighten the legs and lift to a halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root down through the feet and rise all the way up to standing. Exhale, hands to heart center. One last time, inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, straighten the legs, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise all the way up to standing, reach the hands up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Nice, that little flow is going to form the very start of our sun salutation. So we're going to go through that again, only we're going to add on to it a little bit this time. So just like before, take a big breath in, we reach both hands up to the sky. Exhale, bend the knees and forward fold. Inhale, straighten the legs, find a halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. This time plant the hands to the floor and step back to your high plank position. Core is engaged, hands are pressing into the mat. The back is nice and flat. Take a big breath here. And then as we exhale, slowly lower all the way down to your belly, untuck the toes, and inhale, roll the shoulders back as we lift and look forwards. Exhale, lower the chest, press into the hands, and come all the way back to your downward facing dog. Take your time, meet me in your downward dog. Take a full deep breath here. And then after that breath, bend the knees, look forwards, and take as many or as little steps as you need all the way to the top of your mat. Inhale, press in through the feet, come all the way up to standing, hands reach up, and exhale, hands to heart center. Nice, let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, straighten the knees, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Plant the hands, step one back, then the other back. Find your high plank. Take a deep breath in, and then exhale, lower slowly down. Keep those elbows hugging in. Untuck the toes, and inhale as we roll the shoulders back, press into the hands, lift up. As we exhale, slowly lower and press yourself all the way back to your downward facing dog. Take your time. Take a full breath here in your downward dog, and inhale and an exhale. And then when you're ready, bend the knees, look forwards, and take those steps all the way to the top of your mat, feet hip distance apart. Inhale, stretch all the way up to standing, the hands come up. Exhale, hands heart center. Let's go one more time with this one. Inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, straighten the knees, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands, high plank. Hold it here. Take a big breath in. As we exhale, maybe we just lower down halfway this time. Inhale, flip the toes over, come into your upward facing dog. Keep the thighs lifted off the mat. Take a big breath in. And as we exhale, can we roll over those toes, come back to a downward facing dog. Take a full deep breath here. And then bend those knees, look forwards, take as many or as little steps to the top of your mat as you need. And then root down through the feet, inhale as we rise all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Let's switch it up a little bit this time. So drop the hands. As we inhale, we're going to bend both knees, sweep the hands up alongside the ears, and sit back into your chair pose. Big breath in here. And as we exhale, dive forwards into your forward folds. Inhale to a halfway lift. And then exhale, bend the knees, forward fold, plant the hands, step back into your plank. Big inhale. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, lift up, look forwards, upward dog. As we exhale, roll over the toes, find a downward facing dog. Take a big breath here. And then on your next inhale, reach the right foot up to the sky. As we exhale, bend the knee, step the right foot in between the hands. Plant the left foot down, and inhale, reach the hands up overhead. Look up to the sky. Big breath in. Exhale, come down, plant the hands. Step it back, high plank. Take a big inhale. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, press it up to upward facing dog. Exhale, roll over those toes, downward facing dog. Take a breath. On your next inhale, lift the left leg up to the sky. Exhale, bend the knees, step the left foot forwards, plant the right foot down. Inhale, sweep those hands up and look up, warrior one. Take a breath. And then exhale, dive forward, plant the hands, step the left foot back, plank, take your chaturanga. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a big breath here. And then look up in between the hands, bend the knees, and step or hop all the way to the top of your mat. Keep the knees bent as we sweep the hands up, come back to a chair pose. Maybe look up in between the fingertips here. Take one more breath. And then come all the way up to standing, find a little back bend, and exhale, hands to heart center. Nice, we're gonna do that one more time. So let's inhale, sweep the hands up, sit the hips back, chair pose. Take an inhale. Exhale, fold forwards, forward fold. Inhale, straighten the knees, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, plant the hands, step back to a high plank. Take your chaturanga, so inhale, and then exhale, slowly lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, roll to downward facing dog. On your inhale, lift the right leg up. On your exhale, step the right leg forwards. Plant your left toes down and inhale, warrior one. Reach the hands up, look up to the sky. Take a big breath in and then exhale, fold forwards. Plant the hands, step it back, high plank. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, roll over, downward facing dog. On your inhale, lift the left toes up. Exhale, bend the knees, step it in between the hands. Back toes planted. Inhale, reach up, warrior one, look up to the sky. Take a big inhale. Exhale, come forwards. Plant the hands, step it back, high plank. Big breath in. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog, open the chest. Exhale, downward facing dog, keep those hips high. Take a full breath here, an inhale and an exhale. And then bend those knees, look forwards and take a little step or hop all the way to the top of your mat. Press in through the feet, keep the knees bent, come up into your chair. Take the gaze up in between the fingertips here. Take one final breath. And then inhale, reach up, little back bend here. And exhale, hands to heart center. Stand up tall and close the eyes. Just take a second here to notice your body. Feel your heart rate. Feel that energy flowing all throughout your body. Take a few deep and mindful breaths here. Deep inhales and full releasing exhales. Start to feel the breath slow down. The heart rate slows down. And finally, just sending yourself a little bit of love and a little bit of gratitude for stepping onto your mat today. And whenever you are ready, you can gently open back up through the eyes. And if we want to go on about the rest of our day, we can. If we maybe want to come down and sit into a little meditation or affirmation practice, then you do whatever feels good for you. But thank you so much for joining me today for this quick little flow. I hope you are feeling good. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more from me, please subscribe. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.